DJM TV.
Welcome to DJM TV News, where you get the latest information as the trend. Please, if you are new to this channel, subscribe to our YouTube channel at DJM TV. Click on the notification bell so you keep receiving videos from us as they drop. And if you're on Facebook, like our Facebook page at DJM TV. On Twitter, follow us at DJM TV. Also on our website at www.djmtv.news, where we drop videos 247. I am Lawuru Favor for DJM TV News.
DJM TV.
I want to see the IG now. I want to see the IG. I want to see IG. I came to see IG. Why are you all upset? I want to see IG. You don't understand yourself. Come here. I don't know this. I don't know this. I don't see IG. I don't know. How do you know they work on Saturday? I don't know. I'm not there on Saturday. There's no amount of weapons. We want NSAS. No, we want the way until when police join us for this revolution, this country can never change. And you must join us, better than like our because now they stop our pass. Now they stop our pass. And they enter on our barracks now. And life now they live. Join the people. Who is living their life in Nigeria? Mark him face. Mark him face now. Mark him face now. Mark him face. Mark him face now. US Kennedy. The name na US Kennedy. Mark him face now. Police brutality. Say don't mark him face. Where your barrack dey? Where your barrack dey? I mean, I'll come there today. Where your barrack dey? You don't say we be fly. Where your barrack dey? You be fly. That's what they talk. You say don't mark him face. What do you want to have? You say don't mark him face. US Kennedy.
I never see anything. I just start. He said we just start.
Why will you tell them? What are you going to do?
Say you have mad disgrace. Mad disgrace. What do you want to have?
What are you going to do?
Where be your barrack? You go come here today.
If
You go there today. Where be your barrack?
I know, not today.
Say you don't mark face your place. Where be your barrack? Me, I go come here today. Where be your barrack?
Yes, there's no reason for you to be hostile to any Nigerian who is asking for their rights. And you are telling you are marking somebody's face. What are you going to do to anybody? At this time, by the time 1 million people fall in for Monday, I go not say all the police waiting for this country now, this 1 million.
For here, for here.
They say you don't mark
What are
face
you
your
tire?
face.
That's the only solution. Because that time, it will be one-on-one, man on man. And you know, say, na man on man.
Honestly, man. Honestly. I swear, man. No doubt about that, man.
Don't tell the IG. When they come from Mondo, they become serious. The IG must come out. No more talking to.
You see what I want? Another thing I want. This is MSAT. We want to see. So that the IG will not give you some so date. Come and see me.
The IG have to give us. You don't have to give us public. They are the ones who give you
Occupying the public
Economy are not
being
meeting.
paid with public funds.
because they hide now. Mark my face, so I dey come back tonight.
They don't go keep
I
up.
will come.
I dey come back tonight. Come meet you. But all of them must change their mind. You must join this. You must join this revolution. We won't happen for Nigeria. Because now all of them they suffer. All this suffer, you never tire now. Yes. Now what they call me say me, I could be ASP. ASP for where Buhari dey. Buhari wey no know his left from the right. I could be ASP for. Come and see.
DJ LTV.
Nigeria youth. Yes. For the greatest and the greatest and the greatest Nigeria youth. Police, go Sabisa. Police, go Sabisa. If I don't stay, you go Sabisa. Police, go Sabisa. Police, go Sabisa. If I don't stay, you go Sabisa. If I don't stay, you go Sabisa. Great Nigeria youth. Yes. We are here today for the purpose. It's all over. Of course. In the internet, in the media, everybody is saying the ended SARS, right?
Yes.
But I want to put it to the public and the youth of Nigeria that they end a department. Yes. They ended a uniform. They ended a name.
The Browns.
But they didn't end the brutality.
Yes.
Take it or leave it. All this that is happening, they just want to tell us what we want to hear. That we ended it.
Yes.
What happens to the animals inside the police force?
They want to share it.
They want to share them, put them in different departments.
To corrupt the rest department.
How can we continue like this? Because after 1 month or 2 months, they will come again.
Fall back again.
To reform themselves and start the killing.
We don't need it.
Now we are calling for the federal government or the agency when it comes to security, apart from reforming the police department, Let them fish out not bad heads.
Yes, sir.
Dismiss them
Yes, sir.
with immediate effect.
Yes, stop the brutality.
Because
Stop killing.
tomorrow you will see a young man looking fresh
I didn't tell you.
and stop the destruction. Stop the killing. A lot of our parents have lost their children in the cold blood. Some youth are trying to make a living from their sins. When you are coming out to tell them they are fraudulent, is the police in charge of the department of the EFCC?
No.
Is the police, or do they have the right to search my phone as a young man?
No.
We must stop that. Some of us that are watching over there, you will think what we are doing. We are family men. Some of us are family men. Some of us,
Yes.
some of us have a brighter future.
Yes.
But we are coming out today for a reason. Because we want them to stop the brutality.
Exactly.
Not just to stop SARS. To stop the intimidation, the extortion, and the killing. Because the same animals are still in that group.
Yes, sir.
That is why we are here. And I will want some of my comrades to say one or two things. Topic, can you enlighten us?
Great Nigeria youth.
Great.
Great Nigeria youth.
Great.
I know some of you are wondering why we are still out here, even after the information that the federal SARS has been dissolved. Listen, dissolved into different units, which means they still get gone.
Yes.
They still get that bad character.
Yes.
And they say they don't dissolve into different units.
Yes.
If they shed bad egg, enter different crates, all the other crates don't go spoil.
Go swell, go smell.
And
Bomb
they dissolve
top.
into different units. Now different units of SARS go come.
Go follow.
So what we are saying right now, like he rightly said, they should fish out all the bad eggs
Yes.
and dismiss them. And reform the Nigerian police, stop the brutality.
Yes.
How many times they want answers?
How many times?
How many times? How many times? Oh, they want to answer.
How many times do they want to answer?
How many times? Oh, they want to answer.
How many times do they want to answer? Hey, they want to do. Hey, they want to do. How many times they want to answer?
Nigeria problem is bigger than this ending.
I swear.
Solve the problem once and for all. Feed them out. Let them serve as examples to others.
Yes, so.
That's the way carry go away civilian uniform put up another unit.
Ah.
Now that the person go even the vest.
Yes, so.
Now go the vest say we don't make them vest now go enter street. If you don't be operate with uniform, you go hear mufti, hear mass for now.
I swear.
Then who go report to? We cannot be fooled. And not that you people say this. Una say una talk so that we go sleep. Una think we go sleep. We don't go sleep.
No sleep, oh.
We get sense.
I'm a mother too much.
We are one. You cannot be fooled.
What are answers now?
Most of Nigeria youth are graduates.
Normal
They
life.
don't get work.
Normal life.
Put up on streets of good boys ever sitting not favor their family.
Normal life.
And they find source of livelihood. What see they solve? Now no go let us rest. You get iPhone. We know the power for the money self. The brutality and the killing is too much. What have we done to deserve of this? Oga, the uniform now on our end. The next time we will see any brutality for Nigeria, they will not let the youth. I am a proudly Edo State. Great Edo youth.
Great.
Great Edo youth.
Great.
2017, they end up.
Bam.
2018, they end up.
Bam.
2019, they end up.
Bam.
2020, they end up. 2021, they go see
Yes,
end
yeah,
up. But today, we say no.
I'm a mother too much.
SARS, the department for police force.
I tell you.
SARS, the department for police force. We want to reform the Nigerian police force. If they're not pay their salary, may they come join us. We go protest for them.
That one enter. That one enter. That one enter. That one
They
enter.
not get work. They not they pay me salary.
Whoa.
They pay you salary, you they beat me, they join.
Wow.
Join us, we'll protest. May they for pay you big salary. We
Voilà.
don't want police brutality.
Aye.
I get dread before I bow because of police salary. Fear not let me drop it. Any police will brutalize Nigerian citizens. Tell us money because we want to make them end SARS. Have you not been so?
Not so.
Because SARS be like a shower. When police go pursue for one branch today, after some time they will come back.
Yes. And I tell you,
this time around, we want to make them burn down.
totally.
We have had this money because of the news where Inspector General Police give us yesterday. We are not satisfied with the news. We not be children. We go school. We know the difference between bank and dissolve. That's why we are at this money. With the news when we hear yesterday, we say if we relax on that news, that means police will still beat us.
Yes.
Police will still search our phones. Yes. Police will still harass us. Yes. Police will still do anything where they like and they will go free. So that's why they come out this morning say, make the end police brutality. Exactly. Make the end SARS so that we the youth we feel get free. Make the end extortion so that we the youth we feel get freedom.
Great.
Great.
The problem where we see this 2020 short period, because we need to really protest before the police hierarchy see what they happen normally. IG, not be true junior ranking group. He don't know what it is for police normally. He don't know.
You pass the richer.
He don't know.
Pass the richer.
Now because they send the message.
A message.
That's why they don't talk. Our politicians not talk because this year not the election year. They keep quiet because they know what they don't tell Nigerian police to. They don't tell Nigerian police to talk. When police say they help you rig election, how you want to correct them? When they help you do the dirty job, how you want to get mine? Tell them about rural. How? But my turn, I want to know our father generation.
Yes.
We are made to the wrong generation. Now our generation to wake up you, you just want to forget. Now we run out. Because you don't go pick tell the female on right.
At all.
We don't beat us. Can President Buhari come out and say he has created 20 million jobs? No. Since they voted on me? No. The president and the youth that came out and voted for you massively. They vote to put you. They vote after voting, they stand for there. Count their vote under hot sun. So
the youth are lazy.
Now the youth they complain. You know see. But yesterday, you congratulate the governor for Tuesday. We win the election. On those states, I beg your pardon. That will show the carefulness, the nonchalancy of your government. Oga, that's what you talk here now. Not you.
Now basket. You know what?
I just never tell you about people. People read about the people. We just say no to oppression. When the British come, we fight them.
Now so.
When the Nigerian police will go fight you now. Everything when we get.
Yes.
But you not begin here with you. Because it is pain us. It is pain us. That's what you not do. We not give us job. We not give us.
With a PV.
But yet, we not kill us. Okay? End police brutality. Yes. End them all. You get why we talk to stuff. End them. We not push us on the wall. Over talk for him. Great ever you.
Great.
Great ever you.
Great.
For the great. Now we stay here. Do not say best before. The youth. See, this water is bad and then it's going to take back all of us. We don't feel like coming for our motherland. Who wants chase us to go wrong by itself?
Yes, so.
Every day we come out ourselves because we say, may they end SARS, may they end the police brutality, may they end the injustice, the killing of youth innocently. Imagine we don't tell our brothers that they outside. They don't feel come out because of waiting, because of killing, because of harassment. You see youth, we get tattoo. You go around saying na Yahoo. You go see youth carry dread na Yahoo. Now Yahoo, everybody they do.
You are tired.
Now Yahoo they do. No. But time doesn't be say we go fight for justice. We go fight for justice. We don't want all this kind of intimidation again. We don't want extortion. We don't want extortion. So understand.
Great Adoyo.
Great.
Great Adoyo.
Great.
Great Adoyo.
Great.
This one and information. We must know people now update. Because everybody wanna they see, yes. So we say, I guess they see all of them, they have different departments for this thing. So you hear from Kubaka, they are head there. Ubawa, they are head there. Uselu, they are head there. Okida, they are head there. Zapple Road, GR Road, Airport Road. We just make we pick all the areas that they listen to when they come out. Because to say we come out the way the thing came, they will say, I did not buy. But we want to let them say, make we not take us for granted. Yes. Because all this baby, what they do, bandy. We know say, now what you want, you're not going to tell us. But with the brutality, the killing, the extortion, and that is the question. And we are privileged to call the Commissioner of Police, which is not talk. Now, I said, likewise, the CP, if possible, we are going to address it. Because just the heads need to talk together. Great Adoyo! Yes! Great Adoyo! Yes!
Malik! Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
I know you're there. If they do, we do. Malik, I beg. Boss, I beg. This camera.
DJM TV.
Welcome to DJM TV News, where you get the latest information as the trend. Please, if you are new to this channel, subscribe to our YouTube channel at DJM TV. Click on the notification bell so you keep receiving videos from us as they drop. And if you're on Facebook, like our Facebook page at DJM TV. On Twitter, follow us at DJM TV. Also on our website at www.djmtv.news, where we drop videos 247. I am Lawuru Favor for DJM TV News.
DJM TV.